So I dropped the pan. This is cylinder 7, and it is really bad. The rod bearing had spun. It was just freewheeling in there. And there's 3 more just like it. I've never seen the cap at an angle, and I've just never seen anything like that. I don't know if that's fretting or how they make these things, but I need to go check it out. I know one bolt that wouldn't even drop out, like it pinches at the end, wouldn't come out. But yeah, it's just interesting that the engine made one tapping sound when there's 3 bad rods bearings. It's just, I'll have to figure that one out.